Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I wanted to do a quick video on a review of the Tree Center. I just ordered some laurels from them. I got 4 gallon size containers. I'm not sure what's in this box. I don't know that it's one or if it's all the plants that I ordered. I've had really great luck with them in the past. Again, this is the treecenter.com. They have had in stock a lot of trees that are difficult for me to find in my local area. I live in central Kentucky. This redbud right here is a rising sun redbud that has 3 colors at any given point. So it goes from a yellow to a red to a green. It is a beautiful redbud and I could not find it anywhere near here, but I got it from the Tree Center about 2 years ago and it's doing really, really well. There was a windstorm last year that kind of knocked it over, but it's self-righted and is doing a great job. I mean, it's a beautiful garden piece. Right now it is early spring, so you can see the leaves start gold, then they turn to red, and then they go to green. But we're gonna open this box together and kind of see what's inside. And this is not a sponsored video. It's just a company that I use and that has been great. They are a little bit expensive. They do a great job making sure your plants are protected when they're shipped. So I feel like the added cost is kind of worth it. It's definitely a splurge for things that you can't find locally. I was not able to find laurels at all. So we'll unbox this together and I'll bring you along. So this does have all 4 gallon containers in it, and this is a laurel. I could not find any in my area, and then I happened to be out today and I found 4 that we'll probably plant together, but I have plenty of space. I wanted a bunch of these for our back pool area, so I will use these. But as you can see, the shipping is great. They are zip tied down. They're not going to rise. There was a piece of box that was up here. You could see in the video, I pulled that out. It comes with care instructions. So we're gonna kind of open that up together here in a second. So sorry, I'm kind of trying to video this as best I can right now. It came with a return sticker that if I don't like my purchase, I guess I can use this to return it. Or no, this is a receipt, sorry. So this is a receipt. I guess if I do need to return it, I have to reach out to them. There are a couple QR codes. One is for a planting guide, and then one is a welcome brochure to the Tree Center. I know that they have a subscription program now. I am not a member of that, and again, this video is not sponsored, but I wanted to go over it with you and kind of what's in the box. And then here is like a thank you. I think they're trying to get me to enroll. Oh no, so I have a coupon on this for $10 off. And they're just thanking me for being a repeat customer. I have used them. I have never had any issues whatsoever. And then there was also a nice sticker in the box. Skip laurels out of the box from the Tree Center. They look great. They look very healthy. This is an evergreen shrub. Although it grows the size kind of like a small tree, it will grow around 8 feet tall and around 6 feet wide. It is hardy to zone 6 through 8, and here in central Kentucky, I think I'm a zone 7B. We have some pretty cold winters. This past winter, I don't think we dropped below 0 many days. I think these will do awesome. I am going to set them up on drip irrigation, so they shouldn't struggle with water in the heat of the summer because it does get pretty hot here. The leaves are this waxy dark green. These have some, looks like calcium on them, but I mean, they clean up beautifully. They are an evergreen and they are deer resistant. So I love having evergreen structure in our backyard. It is a pool area, and when the pool is closed, it looks pretty bleak back there. So I'm just trying to fill it with as much evergreen as I can so that it has a lot of winter interest.